Okay, because I am bored, I decided I was going to build with Claude Code today, Terminal Muncher, Claude Muncher. And he just walks through and you can download him as an NPM package and he will literally eat your terminal text. So stay tuned and we can do that together. It has been quite fun. All right, let's get going here. Hey, Claude, I wanted to create a terminal program for Claude where the Claude mascot, you know, the little orange guy, let's take a screenshot because I don't know if you know this, but you can actually take a screenshot and Claude can actually see images now. I don't want it to be just lines of ACI. I want it to look just like this orange guy. This should be an installable package we can share. Please review this request and come back with a plan. I think this will be so fun, to be honest with you. Let's see what happens. Always got to think, you know what I'm saying? Love this idea. Let me put together a plan for you. Thanks, Claude. AI exists in the world. You can do crazy things with it. And here I am trying to create claude-muncher, the terminal package. Changing the world, one truly innovative idea at a time. Here's the plan for claude-muncher. What it is, an NPM package, zero dependencies, which is great, where pixel art Claude mascot randomly appears and chomps through your terminal text with a fun animation. How the mascot looks right, instead of janky ASC art, we'll use Unicode half-block characters with true color. Each terminal cell becomes 2 vertical pixels, so the orange blocky guy renders faithfully to the pixel art in your image. The sprite is 12 by 14 pixels, only 7 terminal rows tall. Animation. The mascot walks in from the screen edge, approaches target text, does an open-close mouth chomp cycle, erasing characters as it goes with little crumb particles, shows a satisfied face, then walks off. Multiple frames for smooth movement. Usage mode. Hello, pipe mode, randomly eats lines passing through, munch, eat some text, one shot, eat, munch demo, show off the animation, munch wrap, NPM test, wraps a command, output. Randomness, 15% default chance per line, prefers longer lines, cooldown between eats, occasionally feeding frenzy. Safety, signal handlers always restore the cursor, no color fallback. I do want to verify that it's not going to delete any text. So let's make sure of that. I just want to make sure that this will not delete anything the user is doing and they can still somehow preview the text it ate. You know, because this should be fun. It shouldn't be irritating. Great call. Let me update this plan to make sure this is purely visual and non-destructive. Great. Yes, this should be non-destructive, Claude. Key updates to the plan. Nothing is ever actually deleted. The eating is purely visual cosmetic. In pipe mode, all text passes through the std out completely intact. Downstream programs always get the full data. The animation is just an overlay. In eat demo mode, after the animation finishes, the original text is restored so you can still read it. A little munched marker shows what the mascot targeted. Reveal flag on by default always restores text after animation. You can use no reveal if you want the fun of it staying eaten. Great. This sounds so much fun. Okay. Let's build it. See what happens. Yes. Build it. Who's excited? I'm excited. Okay, now let's install TypeScript and try to build. It's gone through everything. It's written the CLI, public API. All right, approve. Clean build with 0 errors. Let me verify the output exists and test the basic functionality. Yes. The help output needs a TTY to display the sprite. Let me check if the basic structure works. Don't ask me. Oh, it's going to be adorable. Oh, look at him. Sprite renders correctly with truecolor ANSI codes. Let me also test the pipe mode works. Key features, non-destructive, all text passes through intact, animations are visual overlays only, everything is working, here's what was built. Claude Muncher, all files implemented, zero dependencies, compiles cleanly, project structure, blah, 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 blah. Great. Key features. Great. I love that. Try it. No disk seal the demo in a terminal or no eat hello world. All right, let's see. Copy. What happened? This shoe is on line 195 when X is negative, math floor can produce a negative index. Same bug pattern exists in multiple places. All right, we'll fix it. All right.